KwaZulu government, led by Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi as Chief Minister of KwaZulu, took the apartheid government to appeal court in Bloemfontein, because they had already decided to secede Ngwavuma to Swaziland. And because there was nothing that the government of KwaZulu could do to challenge or to stop the ceding of Ngwavuma to Swaziland, they had to take the legal route. They went to the appeal court in Bloemfontein to appeal the decision. And on the 5th of July 1982, the appeal court in Bloemfontein ruled that Ngwavuma should form part of KwaZulu-Natal, should form part of KwaZulu, should not be seceded to Ngwavuma, to Swaziland.
Now we're getting ready for our celebrations, which will take place this weekend on the 13th of December. Tell us about the preparations. What can we expect? What is going to happen there?
Yeah, the theme for this weekend, going forward, since we came from Johannesburg, Gauteng, was that if Ngwavuma, or if the IFP was not there, Ngwavuma would have been seceded to Swaziland. So the people of Ngwavuma would no longer be South African citizens as we speak. So because of the IFP having fought the mighty apartheid government, the people of Ngwavuma remained South African. So we started with preparations. We had about 12 meetings, liaising with the local leadership, up to the time where now we are in the last week or last leg of the arrangements. We are having events to publicize the event, to make the people aware, activation programs. And the venue has been booked, which is the Makoko Sports Ground. The venue was chosen by local people. There's Mr. Mavimbela, who was there when these things happened. When we came to look for the venue, he said there is no other venue except Makoko Sports Ground, because it is where Umntwana kaPhendangene addressed them after the victory in Bloemfontein. So that venue is of significance because of that. It's a smaller venue, but for sentimental reasons, we are going there in order to ensure that, to celebrate that the people of Ngwavuma remain South Africans, because the IFP won a battle against the mighty apartheid government.